Title: Honda S2000, the High-Revving Legend. Opening scene. A scenic mountain road at sunrise. The camera slowly pans to a pristine Honda S2000 parked at an overlook, its sleek body reflecting the golden light. The driver, a car enthusiast in their late 20s, walks toward it with a smile. Narrator: VO. Few cars capture the spirit of driving like the Honda S2000. A roadster engineered for purists, it delivers an experience that blends precision, performance, and pure adrenaline. Scene transition, a look at the history. Cut to archival footage of Honda engineers working on the S2000 in the late 90s. Shots of concept sketches and assembly lines at Honda's Tachijai plant. Narrator: VO. The S2000 was born to celebrate Honda's 50th anniversary in 1999. Inspired by Honda's racing heritage, it was a spiritual successor to the S500, S600, and S800 Roadsters of the 1960s. Quick cut to old footage of Honda's first Roadsters zipping through Japanese streets. Scene transition, performance and engineering. Cut to a dynamic shot of the S2000 accelerating on an open road. The camera focuses on the driver shifting gears, the tachometer climbing past 8,000 RPM. Narrator: VO. At the heart of the S2000 is the legendary F20C engine. A naturally aspirated 2.0-liter inline-4, it produces 240 horsepower, achieving an astonishing 120 horsepower per liter. But what truly sets it apart is its ability to rev past 9,000 RPM, making it one of the highest revving production engines of all time. Close-up of the engine bay, with text overlays highlighting specs: 240 HP, 153 lb-ft torque, 9,000 RPM Redline. Cut to a rolling shot of an S2000 taking a sharp corner on a canyon road. Narrator: VO. Honda paired this masterpiece of an engine with a lightweight chassis and near-perfect 50/50 weight distribution. The result? Razor-sharp handling, precise steering, and an open-top driving experience unlike any other. Scene transition, design and styling. Slow-motion shots of the S2000's aggressive front end, sleek side profile, and short rear deck. The soft top retracts smoothly. Narrator: VO. The S2000's design is both timeless and functional. Its long hood, short rear deck, and wide stance give it a classic roadster silhouette, while its aerodynamic lines enhance stability at high speeds. Cut to the interior, a close-up of the red leather seats, digital instrument cluster, and driver-focused cockpit. Narrator: VO. Inside, the driver sits low in a cockpit designed for maximum engagement. A digital gauge cluster inspired by Formula One, a perfectly positioned gear lever, and a minimalist layout, everything is built for the art of driving. Scene transition, evolution and special editions. Split screenshots of the 1999 AP1 model and the 2004 AP2 version. Narrator: VO. In 2004, Honda introduced the AP2 version with a 2.2-liter F22C1 engine, offering more torque at lower RPMs. The suspension was also revised for improved stability.